Earnin is a cash advance app that lets users access money before their regular payday, which makes the biggest question whether it is actually worth using when the service relies on optional tips. By the end, you'll know how Earnin works, what the tip-based model means, and what to consider before using it for short-term cash needs. Earnin works differently from a traditional loan because it allows eligible users to access earned wages before payday instead of waiting for their normal paycheck date. The app connects to your financial information to determine available earnings and manage access. The biggest feature people notice is that Earnin does not operate like a typical lender, charging a standard interest rate. Instead, users can choose whether to leave a tip for the service. That sounds simple, but the decision depends on how often you use the app. Using any cash advance service repeatedly can become a habit if it replaces planning for regular expenses. Before using Earnin, check the requirements, understand how repayment works, and make sure you know when the money will be taken back from your account. A cash advance helps with timing problems, but it does not increase your overall income. Earnin can make sense for someone who has already earned money but needs access before payday. For example, an unexpected bill that arrives a few days early may create a short-term gap that an advance can help cover. The important question is whether the convenience is worth the trade-off. If you are using Earnin occasionally for timing issues, the experience may be different from someone who needs advances every pay period. You should also compare Earnin with other options before deciding. Depending on your situation, alternatives like adjusting bill due dates, using savings, or exploring other financial tools may be better long-term solutions. The tip system is one of the main reasons people debate whether Earnin is worth it. Some users like having control over the cost, while others prefer services with clearly defined fees. So, is Earnin worth the tips? It depends on how you use it. The app can be useful for short-term access to money you have already earned, but it should be treated as a temporary tool, rather than a replacement for budgeting. Before signing up, review the terms, understand the repayment process, and decide whether the convenience matches your financial situation. If this helped you understand Earnin better, subscribe for more straightforward reviews of popular financial apps and money tools.